Welcome for watching this channel. This channel is designed for the hoping of helping related approach in different environments. You may aware that some channels in YouTube have the end screen for introducing other videos of the channel. The advantage of introducing other videos of the channel is that it may increase the number of views in the channel. But how to make an end screen in YouTube? Hope that you can find the good answers in this video. This video is mainly related to make end screen in YouTube after the upload of video, that is the previous upload. This video is one of the options video series, namely, how to create YouTube end screen, previous upload. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video in this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. Starting of how to create YouTube end screen, previous upload. Firstly, we need to log in YouTube and select the channel that you want to make an end screen. You may aware that this is the basic step to access your channel in YouTube. You are also needed to click your channel for the display of your video in your channel. Since the configuration of end screen is performed in the YouTube Studio, it is needed to access the YouTube Studio first. This can be done by clicking Manage Videos button. After that, it is needed to select your video before the configuration of end screen of your video. As demonstrated in the following video clip, you are needed to click end screen button in your video for the configuration of your end screen. In the end screens function, the upper part is used for the design and the layout of the end screens. For the lower part of the end screens, it is concerned with the time scale related to the elements of end screens, the video and the soundtrack. The upper left part of the end screens, it is something like the template for arranging the layout of the elements in the end screen. The end screen template contains elements such as playlist, video and subscription, and different shapes are used for different elements. The rectangle relating to the video and the circle relating to the subscription are some of the examples. The templates include different layout of the elements in the end screens. For example, 1 video and 1 subscribe, 2 videos and 1 video, 1 playlist and 1 subscribe. There are 3 processes related to the configuration of end screens. Firstly, it is needed to choose the template from the upper left part of the end screen by clicking the corresponding template. After clicking the template from the upper left part of the end screen, the layout will be displayed in the upper right part of the end screen. After that, you can add additional elements to the upper right part of the end screen. The additional elements include video, playlist, subscribe, and channel. Secondly, you may need to specify the details of the elements by clicking on the corresponding element. For the video element added in this example, you can specify the type of video such as most recent upload, best for viewer, and choose specific video. After clicking choose specific video, you can select the video for the video element. After that, the thumbnail of the video will appear on the video element. Similar approach of specifying the type of video can be applied to the other video by clicking on the other video element. Thirdly, for the elements defined as above, they will also appear on the time scale in the lower part of the end screens. In this example, 1 subscribe and 2 videos are also shown in the time scale in the lower part of the end screens. You may aware that the vertical axle can be moved horizontally. It is used for the understanding of what elements simultaneously appeared in the video. You can specify the starting time of the individual elements by selecting the element followed by sliding the start time of the element. The gray area is the time that elements will not appear in the video, whereas the colored area is the time that elements will appear in the video. This process with sliding the start time is repeated for other elements so that the appropriate start time of each element has been set. After the above 3 processes, you can save the settings of the end screen by clicking the Save button. Congratulations if you can understand how to set the end screen in the video. One major advantage of using end screen is that the audience can directly select the next video that are proposed in the end screen. Thank you very much for your watching of this how to create YouTube end screen previous upload in this channel. You can also watch the other related videos such as the how to create YouTube multiple channel using one account and the secret of YouTube brand accounts and channels in this channel. If you think this video is good, you can consider to like this video. If you do not want to miss other video in this channel, you can consider to subscribe this channel with bell notification. Hope that you can find this video helpful.